Welcome to the solved assignment video for IGNOU BPCC101, intended for BAPCH, BAFPC students. This video covers the July 2025 to January 2026 session and is presented in English medium. Disclaimer: this solved assignment provides guidance on writing answers and is for reference purposes only. Students must study the official course material and prepare their answers independently. Word-for-word copying is not permitted, and the final responsibility lies with the student. Important points: carefully read the question paper and answer for the correct session. Read all subparts, adhere to the prescribed word limit, and ensure your assignment is handwritten in neat, legible handwriting. Use only blue or black ballpoint pens of the same type and color throughout. Start each answer on a new page and clearly mention the question number. Keep your answers simple, clear, and relevant, following the IGNOU question paper strictly. Revise carefully before submission. This assignment is only for the July 2025 and January 2026 sessions. Please strictly follow all IGNOU guidelines. Kindly create two separate, clearly labeled folders, one for assignments and one for tutorials. Best of luck. This is Part A, Assignment 1, with 3 questions worth 20 marks each, totaling 60 marks. Question 1 asks to explain why psychology is a science and describe the nature and characteristics of behavior. Psychology studies behavior and mental processes systematically and objectively, which led to its recognition as an independent science. Psychology is a science due to its systematic study, use of scientific methods, and objectivity in collecting and analyzing data. It relies on empirical evidence, ensuring findings are based on observation and experience. Verifiability and replicability allow other researchers to confirm results under similar conditions. Additional scientific characteristics include prediction and control of behavior in the development of theories through systematic research. Behavior is defined as any activity that can be observed or measured. The nature of behavior shows it is a response to stimuli and is dynamic, changing with time and experience. Human behavior is influenced by multiple factors, including biological, psychological, and social. It is purposeful, directed towards goals and needs, and adaptive, helping individuals adjust to their environment. Characteristics of behavior include being observable and measurable, and also complex, involving thoughts, emotions, and actions. Behavior is also learned through interaction with the environment and is continuous throughout life, even during inactive periods. Furthermore, behavior is context-dependent, varying with the situation, and reflects individual differences. Finally, behavior has meaning and purpose, usually serving to fulfill needs or solve problems. Question 2 asks for a description of Gestalt's laws of perceptual organization with examples and diagrams, and an explanation of factors affecting perception. The image provides examples of the Gestalt laws, including similarity, pragnance, proximity, continuity, closure, and common region. Perception is the active process of organizing stimuli into meaningful patterns. The Gestalt laws of perceptual organization are based on the idea that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. The law of similarity suggests similar elements are grouped together. The law of proximity states that objects close to each other are perceived as a group. The law of pragnance suggests perceiving complex figures in the simplest form. The law of continuity means perceiving lines or patterns as continuous. The law of closure is the tendency to fill in missing parts of incomplete figures. Finally, the law of common region states that elements within the same boundary are perceived as belonging together. Perception is shaped by both external and internal factors. External factors include intensity, size, contrast, movement, and repetition, which influence what is noticed and easily perceived. Internal factors affecting perception include motivation, past experience, interest, attitude and expectations, emotional state, and cultural background. These psychological factors influence how individuals interpret and organize sensory information, helping them understand the world. Question 3 asks to describe the various theories of motivation. Motivation activates, guides, and sustains behavior toward a goal. Psychologists classify theories into biological, behavioral, cognitive, and humanistic approaches. The instinct theory suggests behavior is driven by innate, inborn biological tendencies. The drive reduction theory posits that a drive is created when the body is in an imbalance, motivating action to restore balance or homeostasis, such as a hungry person eating food. However, this theory does not explain non-physiological behaviors. The arousal theory suggests individuals maintain an optimal level of arousal or alertness. Too little arousal leads to boredom, and too much causes stress. The incentive theory focuses on external factors, stating behavior is guided by rewards and punishments. Incentive theory explains that individuals perform actions for positive outcomes and avoid negative consequences. Maslow's hierarchy of needs, a humanistic theory, arranges needs in a pyramid, from basic physiological needs to self-actualization. The 5 levels of Maslow's needs are physiological, safety, love and belongingness, esteem, and self-actualization. Lower-level needs must be satisfied before higher-level needs influence behavior. This theory emphasizes personal growth and self-development. Cognitive theories emphasize the role of mental processes like expectations, beliefs, and goals in motivation. Individuals actively think and make decisions, with motivation depending on their expectations of success. Self-determination theory focuses on intrinsic motivation, which stems from within the individual. People are motivated when their basic psychological needs are fulfilled: autonomy, competence, and relatedness. In conclusion, motivation is complex, influenced by biological, psychological, and environmental factors. These theories explain different aspects of human behavior, from basic needs to psychological growth, guiding actions towards goals and personal development. We now move to assignment 2. Question 4 asks about the James Lange theory of emotion. This theory explains that emotion results from bodily changes in response to a stimulus. We feel afraid because we tremble, not the other way around. The James Lange theory sequence is: stimulus leads to physiological arousal, which is then interpreted as emotion. It emphasizes bodily feedback, though it has been criticized for overlooking cognitive processes. Question 5 covers the optimal arousal model. This model suggests individuals are motivated to maintain an ideal level of arousal for effective functioning. Both very low and very high arousal negatively affect performance. The relationship between arousal and performance is often explained through an inverted U-shaped curve, where performance peaks at an optimal level of arousal before declining. Question 6 is about the method of loci. This mnemonic technique improves memory by associating information with specific, familiar physical locations, enabling easier recall through mental visualization of the route.